Now on its 5th year, the Rotary Club of Cebu, together with Citrineland Corporation, brings Run for the Gift of Life, a fundraising event aimed to help indigent children with congenital heart defects. The event, happening this June 12, 2024 at the Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino, celebrates the theme, Run for a Child's Independence.
We are delighted to partner with the Rotary Club of Cebu as the official venue for this momentous event. Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino will provide a comprehensive platform for the run, including the designated starting and finishing lines, providing the same support that we gave last year. This event transcends the realm of a simple race. It embodies our collective spirit in supporting a worthy cause. By participating either as a runner or as a volunteer, we all have the opportunity to make a difference in the lives of these children. Together, running towards a brighter and healthier future that these precious children very much deserve.
Last year's Run for the Gift of Life was able to raise money to support the heart surgeries of 426 children. This year, they are aiming to gather 4,000 runners to reach their goal of supporting 45 to 100 little heart warriors.
To begin with the end in mind, we are really doing this to raise awareness that while CHD is deadly, but it's also treatable, and we just need to raise more funds to make it available, the treatment available and accessible to many. And that's the purpose for the run. So hopefully, in spite of it being a weekday but still a holiday, we would be able to gather as many runners as we can with everybody's help.
The Rotary Club of Cebu Project Chairman 𝗄𝗶𝘳𝗲 𝗵𝗲𝗃 expressed his sincere goal of seeing children be given a second lease at life and their families be happy, which one of them has shared through a heartfelt message of gratitude and appreciation.
After February 6, di kami nakampante kay wala namin bayranan tanan. Amuan lang gatubang ang mabuhi ba mong anak og dili. Now kay makita ninyo sa result si Inday di ni siya lagom. Kay bawo na siya mulakaw. Nako kay magpasalamat sa first sa God. Ikaduha nga gihimo niya ang nga instrument ang Rotary, ang 𝗖𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗃 ko ug ang gift of life na naluwas ang mga anak.
The Run for the Gift of Life boasts different categories and distances. The open and Rotaract categories include the 1 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, and 21 kilometer distance. And if you want your children to join in on this worthy cause, the parent and child tandem category includes the 1 kilometer, 3 kilometer, and 5 kilometer distance.
Walk-in registration site, so we have at the Citrineland showroom, the Median showroom in IT Park, and also your building in Tingguan, IT Park. There's also TGU Tower reception area at the IT Park. We have 𝗟𝗶𝗃 in Ayala Center, Cebu, 𝗟𝗶𝗃 SM City, Cebu, and Globe at Park Mall. So most of the major areas are covered, and you can scan the QR code to register online. We have Megatech and our local link.
The fun run will also be joined by the little heart warriors that would benefit from the Run for the Gift of Life.
So first of all, I'd like to reach out to each and every one of you. Please invite your friends, family, and your own network to please join the event. This is a fundraising event, and I would say it's really a worthy cause. As what Sir was saying here, it's really a worthy cause. So we've continued this project program for the last a little over 12 years, and the plan is really to continue help kids and their families. As what Diana was saying on the video earlier, that this one doesn't only help the kids but also their families and their parents. So please, this is a worthy cause. Please continue to spread the word, and we expect everyone to show up on the event. So thank you very much for your support.
This has been Joanne Clarice Espinosa for MyTV Cebu.